Hi guys. Hey, I wanted to show you a quick tip of something I use in modeling and RC and all that stuff a lot. How many of you guys drink cases of beer, cases of pop, whatever, and you end up having these little white at the time, or cardboard at the time, uh, dividers? Well, I use them for mixing paint, for test spraying, for um, taping a hood. There's the hood for the General Lee. Got it painted on there, and you can cut them in strips. You can do whatever, and they're free. Um, that way, I figure how I can get the good out of them, and I use them for mixing up epoxy because with my foam RC airplanes, there's a lot of foam that gets epoxied on those when you crash them and fix stuff and whatever. So I use them for mixing up epoxy, all kinds of stuff. So next time you get a case of beer or a case of pop, and you got these things, save some of them, pull them aside, and because they're again mixing up the like the dirt and the rust and stuff like that for the bottom of the cars. That was all done right there. Put a little bit of acrylic paint, mix a little bit of water, rub it all together to the consistency you want. There you go. You're done. So, like I said, real quick and easy little tip that might help you guys out. Anyway, guys, I'm almost done with the general, and we'll have that hopefully tomorrow or the next day, and that'll be done. So, anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and yeah, like I said, don't throw your cardboard pop dividers, beer dividers out, because you can use them for stuff in the modeling and the RC hobby. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.